Before I came, we were just sort of on a mission to get more contracts in. We were struggling to come up with a strategy that's going to help us with that. It's been very beneficial for me to be in the room. Learning off other business owners and teachings of Barry have been so helpful. I'm here just to learn a bit more about the marketing side and the sales side of the business and to crank that up a bit. Some really good conversations about different systems other landscapers are using, different types of apps that might help my business. I think the last few days have been very valuable. I will definitely take a lot back and start to implement a few key issues that I think will help our growth.